In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to set up your multi-sig wallet under 5 minutes. And I can't even stress enough how important it is to have a multi-sig wallet. With all the hackers, drainers, SIM swappers, all these problems are happening right now. And I'll explain to you guys why it is important to have a multi-sig wallet. Because if you don't, anybody could steal your wallet, steal your phone, hack your phone. And if they get access to your wallet, they can have access to all of your funds. But with a multi-sig wallet, even if they get access to your account, they're not gonna be able to withdraw the funds unless they have more than 2 or 3 confirmations from that account in order to withdraw. And that gives you an extra layer of protection, which is the most important thing. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's gonna take less than 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, you guys wanna do is go on Save Global, save.global. You're gonna press Launch Wallet. You're gonna connect your MetaMask wallet to this or whatever wallet you guys are using. Then you're gonna press Create Account. And you're gonna create an account name. You wanna name it, just name it Multi. And next, and you wanna add the wallet that you guys wanna create it under. So just make sure this is the right wallet. Boom. And then next, we're gonna add all of the signatures right away. So we're gonna add the wallet number 3. We'll call this wallet number 1, wallet number 2, and we'll add wallet number 3. So all of these wallets will be our wallets. Obviously, you don't wanna keep all of these wallets in the same place, in the same wallets. You wanna have different wallets, different locations hidden. So that way, even if one gets compromised or if the computer gets compromised, your stuff is still safe. So purpose of this video, I'm gonna have all my wallets in the same account, but generally you don't wanna have this. So these are all my wallets. I added 3 different wallets on the signature list. All of these are Ethereum wallets. I just added them. And what you guys wanna do is go here on the threshold and choose 2 out of 3. So in case you lose one of your accounts, you can still do this transaction. It doesn't matter. You have to get at least 2 signatures out of 3. So we're gonna do 3 accounts and 2 signatures out of 3. Now press next. There's gonna be a little fee to create an account. And now we're creating this account. It's gonna take a few minutes. Here we go, the account, it has been created. Now let's go check it out. This is the interface of a Safe Wallet. You guys don't need to worry too much about all of this stuff. All you have to worry about is send, receive, and settings. So if you go in settings, you click here, you get to see all of your wallets and the number of signatures. You guys can always change. You can put it to 3 signatures, 2 signatures, 1. I'll always suggest you to have 1 signature less than the amount of accounts you have. So in case you lose 1 account, you can remove it. It's not a problem. So here you have 2 signatures out of 3. Those 3 wallets being all mine. So now let's say we want to deposit money into our multi-sig wallet, and it's very simple. Let's see, receive. You copy this address, you copy your Ethereum. Make sure it's the right network, because if it's not, you will lose your money. Each multi-sig wallet has its own network. It's not like MetaMask. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna send some money to this multi-sig wallet. We're gonna send a little bit of money. All right, the money has been sent. And if you look in the wallet here, we have $30. Perfect. So now we have $30 in our multi-sig wallet. Nobody can access it unless they have access to 2 of our wallets. Now, let's say we've been keeping that money there for a while. Now we need to cash it out. We need to send it somewhere. Very simple. You press send tokens, and now you choose where you want to send them to. Let's send them back to my wallet, multi-sig one. Here, copy the address, amount. We'll send the max here. And this is where the beauty comes in. Let's say somebody gets access to your account and they're trying to send the money out. They're gonna press send. There you go. And it's not gonna do anything until the second transaction is being approved from the second account. So now we approved it from 1 account. We're gonna go on our second account and we're gonna see, it's gonna say, a transaction requires your confirmation. So boom, we click and we can see that there's a 0.01 ETH trying to be sent to this wallet. And we need that confirmation. So we're gonna confirm it, execute, confirmed. And now we're just gonna wait for the transaction to approve. And now when the second transaction is approved, only then the money will be sent out. Now we're gonna see, successful validation inbox. I think the transaction is complete. There we go. Finish. And if we look home, boom, the money has been sent out. It's gone back to our wallet. If you look on our wallet, and if you look here, 31 seconds ago, we received 0.1 ETH. So we did in fact get our ETH back. Perfect. And we had to sign it 2 times. If you ever lose access to one of your wallets, don't panic. It's not the end of the world. You have to remove it right away though. So let's say you lost your wallet, you lost your phone, and now you don't have access to this wallet right here. Let's say you don't have access to the C3 wallet, you lost it. So you wanna remove it right away before you lose any more wallets, because if you lose more than 2 wallets, you lose access to your multi-sig wallet completely. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove this wallet from the multi-sig signature list, sign. All we had to do is press remove. sign. And now the same thing as sending a transaction, you need to have 2 approvals to remove this. So we signed it with one, now we need to go on a different wallet and sign it again. So if you go on this wallet, the notification is already here. A transaction requires your confirmation. Let's click check it out. Remove owner. So we can see what the transaction is for. It's to remove owner. This is the owner is getting removed. We're gonna confirm. And remember, if this is in case you lost your account, you lost access to this wallet, you wanna remove it, boom, you're removing it now. It's gonna take a few minutes and it's gonna get removed. And make sure once you remove that wallet, you're gonna wanna re-add another wallet in. You don't wanna have 2 out of 2 confirmation. You wanna have at least 3 wallets with 2 confirmations. Otherwise, if you lose any access to any of your wallets, you will lose access to your multi-sig wallet. So always make sure you have 1 extra wallet on top of the confirmation. So if you have like 4 wallets, 3 confirmation, 3 wallets, 2 confirmation, and that's the way you want to go about it. All right, so it's finished. You can see removed owner. If you go into your settings, the owner is gone. Now there's only 2 wallets, 2 out of 2 signatures. We do not want to have this. We want to make sure we have 2 out of 3 signatures. So we're going to re-add the extra signature back in there. And we're going to go back and re-add this account back in here. And here we go. Wallet number 3. Next, sign. And sign. To add wallets, you're gonna have to do the same thing. You're gonna have to go and reconfirm it on 2 different accounts. So we're gonna go, we added it. We're gonna go here. And it's gonna ask us, a new transaction is being requested. Add owner. You see, you can see it's trying to add a new owner, the wallet, the C3 wallet. We're just gonna simply confirm it. Sometimes it doesn't let you, just refresh the page. Then confirmed, execute, and confirm. So now we have confirmed it with 2 different accounts to re-add the same thing, everything, send, change, anything you want to do on this account, you're gonna have to get it confirmed twice unless you have more wallets and you can do more. But I think at minimum you have to have 2 confirmation. If you want to go an extra step forward, you can do 3 with 4 wallets. And there we go, the transaction has completed. Now if we go into the settings, you see all the wallets are back here. We have 3 wallets, 2 out of 3. Everything is safe now, everything is perfect. You can go ahead and deposit the money back into this wallet if you want. And yeah guys, it's very straightforward, very simple. It's like creating a new wallet, except you have to add an extra 2 wallets with a verification code. But it's such an important thing. So many people are sleeping on this. They think, oh, I'll never get hacked. I'll never be the one. Yes, you will be the one. Yes, you will get hacked. So make sure you do this. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.